Hello everyone, this is Moni here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you to an amazing place inside the Kuwait Cultural Center. Hoya Science Tech Technology and the human body come together in a fascinating way. First, I went into the transport and science zone. You can see that the many types of small and big ships here. Million years ago, when there were no vehicles and fly what kind ships were used for trade and commerce, they are beautifully arranged here. Here attempts have been made to retain the structure of warships as well as commercial ships. And this site has kept all kind of vehicles from the ancient civilization. What kind of cars were there in Earth at the beginning of modern era? How the types of vehicles have changed with the change of time, the trend of change has been preserved and arranged here through small cars. First, you can see the van car. The upper part is the first aeroplane. These memories will be a gift for the people of Kuwait for ages. There are many old two-wheeled and three-wheeled vehicles here, which are a great source of excitement for visitors to Kuwait and for those who are local to Kuwait. For example, two-wheeled bicycles and motorbikes have been updated here. Each vehicle stands as a symbol of beauty in a different time and era, an example of how science and technology have changed by time, which is displayed in the Sheikh Abdullah Salem Cultural Center in Kuwait. Here you can see many types of bicycles arranged. In this vlog, I'll take you on an exciting journey through the human body, exploring how it works, how the brain and neural system control our actions, and how robotic technology brings these complex systems to life. You'll discover everything from the science of sleep to human birth, growth, and the natural changes our body goes through over time. The vlog also highlights how modern medical science is transforming our lives. You'll discover everything from the science of sleep to human birth, growth, and the natural changes our body goes through over time. Look here, a picture of how a human being grows slowly from an embryo is shown with the month, day, date. This zone is special and very important for students, and common people can also gain knowledge from here in a very nice way. In the true sense, the language of books is not always a part of education. The contribution of such museums is also much more. Let's go to the robotics zone now. You can see that there is a very big one standing here which is red in color, and the robot is explaining the history of robotics journey, and it is telling how and when robots were invented and how it works. The size of the entire museum is so big that it is impossible to finish it. I think this part of the entire museum, i.e. the robotics zone, is the most liked by children. On the south side of the building, there are various types of experimental equipment. I was trying to see everything, and they really work. It is really amazing how far science has come. From the Earth to the planets, stars, and satellites, everything is a discovery of science, and these scientists have discovered it by people like us. A little while ago, I showed you the brain. In that brain, there is so much knowledge of humans. Here we can see various types of electrical appliances. Nowadays, not only on Earth, but also from the sky to the ground, the sea, everywhere, people roam and people have powerful knowledge and science. I would suggest you to take the children of your family to such a museum at least once a month. This part of the museum explains how medicines work inside the human body, how they travel through our system, fight diseases, and help strengthen our immune system. It also shows how modern medical research is creating safer and more effective treatments, making healthcare smarter and more advanced. Today I have learned a lot by coming to this museum. I have learned many unknown things. After getting tired of the museum, there is a good arrangement for sitting. You can sit anywhere and read the paper here. There is a computer screen. So, visitors, I hope everyone liked it so far. You must take your children to the museum or visit it once a week. Everyone be well. See you in a new video. Yes, and of course tick the bell icon so that you can see the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.